Hi guys, so today, hope yesterday we had discussed about how to create the resources in Azure through CLI, correct? So we have discussed yesterday a couple of things like how to create the resource group, how to create the virtual machine, how to create the Linux machine, correct? Yes or no? How to list them. Okay, and also I have given you some assignments, how to create the Azure VNet, right? How to create all this stuff, right? So let me share my screen. Today we are going to discuss about the how to create resources through PowerShell. Okay. So guys, how many guys have practiced yesterday? Can you put your answer yes, no? How many people are able to practice yesterday's labs? Put your answer in chat, yes, no. Meanwhile, I'm sharing the screen, guys. So guys, are you able to view my screen? Sri, have you practiced yesterday? Honestly. Sri, I think you're talking on
Uh,
mute.
yes, Rohit. Yesterday's only alone I did practice.
Oh, and all the previous labs?
Previous, I started reading Rohit.
Notes. And what about
Yes.
the labs? Notes are
Labs,
different. Yeah.
like basic things like creating virtual machine and all I did, but as per the steps what
Assignments.
assignment I have not started.
Please do the assignments because this week again I'm going to put you three more assignments, right? Three more assignments, but almost 30 labs more. Correct.
Yes,
So
Rohit.
then it will be burden for you from starting to it will become 60, 50 to 60 labs. So that
Yes,
will become a burden. So just this is my request to all of you. Please try to finish then and there. Who is able to do? Okay. So
yes,
today
yes.
we are going to discuss about how to create the resources through PowerShell. Correct? Yes. So yesterday we discussed about how to create the resources through CLI. So same way here also we are going to launch our PowerShell. So first of all, let me duplicate this tab, guys. So I've duplicated. Now, first of all, how to launch the PowerShell from the Azure portal? Try to understand. Click on Cloud Shell. After clicking on Cloud Shell, first we need, as I told you, right? We have to click on Create a Storage. We have to create the storage. Either it is a PowerShell, either it is a CLI. Okay, guys. So what we are going to create first? Again, if we are going to create any resource, especially in Azure, first of all, we have to create resource group, correct?
That's
Yes or no,
correct.
guys? Good.
Yes.
So first we have to create the resource group. Create the resource group. Also, correct? Yes or no? Second is what? List the resource group on PowerShell platform, right? Yes or no? I don't want to check there in UI. I want to check here itself, right? So let us finish first these two. So first of all, let us check whether so it is what so our storage account is created. So how to switch the PowerShell? You can see that this is what PowerShell, this is bash, right? Bash is used for CLI and PowerShell is used for PowerShell. Okay. So let us switch the PowerShell. click on confirm. Wait, it is connecting to the terminal. Wait for a few minutes. It is authenticating, so it will take few seconds. Okay, so now we are going to create the resource group. So first of all, let us check whether is there any resource group is there apart from, okay, this storage account is created and this. Okay, so we can create our resource group. So how to create? See, here we are going to start with new keyword. Okay, so see, after typing the new, you can see that AG resource group name and all. So these kind of hints you will get. Okay guys, yes or no? Hyphen, then again age means what? Group space so what is the name we have to give? Tell me.
Resource group
What
01.
favorite name? Yes.
Register 01.
Correct. Location. East US. So what name? Because its argument is specified as a script block and there is no input. Okay. So if we are going to remove this block, hit enter. So you can see that resource group RGTest01 is created. Okay. So let us create multiple resource group. Okay. So how to create? Directly go there, just put here and here, just change the name itself to and hit enter. You can see that second is RGTest02 is created. So it is a faster than UI or not? Tell me. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, it's very fast.
Yeah. So first of all, clear the screen. After clearing, now as I told you, right, we have to list down all the resource group which we have created. So the command is for get AG resource group. Okay. So all the resource group is what listed. You can see that. This is also there. Yes or no? This is also there. This is also there. This is also there. Correct? Clear, guys? Yes or no? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt, guys? See, let me show you in GUI also. Let me refresh because right now it is 2 only. If I will replace, then those 2 will also appear. So you can see that all these 4 are available here, and here also you can see that all these 4 are available here. Clear?
Yeah, Rohit, one question. See, can see like you can I mean, like we can see there are no, actually four resource groups are there, right?
Yes.
Okay. See, let us say if I want to enter into one of the groups, so can we enter into that from the command?
Just now I have shown you. Right? Let me tell you. You can see that. Fine. Get AG resource group name, whatever the resource group you want to display, it will display. Clear?
Okay, this is okay, but what I just want to know is, consider, see, if we list the resource group, we can see 3 to 4, right? In that,
4.
I have some one VM. Okay, consider. Okay, so if I want to get into that example, like consider that, in the
So if you want VM, then get AG VM. That's all. Different resource. See, inside resource group is a very big bucket. In that, maybe 200 or more than 1000 resource will be there. Getting my point. Which type of resource you just type, right? Let me type get. Okay. Get hyphen AZ. Okay. PM size location is to US. Check. Available it is. Whatever the size you want to display. So this is only, number of cores, memory, all these, everything you can do through, command line. Okay. This is not, see, this is not a something extra. The same as a PowerShell only.
Okay.
Whatever you are going to do, able to do, you can able to do. Only thing is what here you will get n number of instructions. Like, let me give the simple example. Whenever you are going to write the Java program through Eclipse, right? You are getting some hints, right, for the syntax. Correct?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Similarly, here you will get this very user friendly, platform. Clear? So
Okay.
now we are going to create the VM. What we are going to create? Because we have the resource group, right? Yes or no? Create VM through
PowerShell. Yeah.
good. So how to create, as you know, right? How to create? Tell me. First, we have to put new hyphen AG, correct? VM, fine.
Roy, do you have to put the AZ? Do you have to put the AZ, or is just the name that's, you
No,
when you
can,
put new
yeah.
hyphen, is it the AZ VM? Is it the name of the
No.
VM
We
you
are
created?
new. No. It's a command. New in Azure.
Yeah.
VM we are creating.
Okay.
Name is here.
Okay.
Here.
All
Name
right.
my VM.
Name.
Wait,
okay. All right.
Let me give the name. VM test 01. This is the name of the VM. Fine.
Is it between VM and hyphen name? There is a space, right?
Yes. There is a space. This is the VM name.
No. Move back a little bit. Yeah, between VM and hyphen name, there is a space. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Why it is throwing error? Tell me.
Maybe it's a $sign in front of credential.
Okay.
Yeah, password is not mentioned.
Okay. Any other person?
You mentioned the resource group.
See, first of all, how to write the C? Let me tell you. Hyphen AG VM. Okay. So resource group name, I'm just RG-test02, name VM-test01, location STUS, virtual network name. So let me give the virtual network name is VNet test01. VNet test01. Security group name is test01. Public IP address you can put default. Okay. Or you can put any other if you have already assigned. So 8321, correct? What is the open port for this? Let me check here. If we are going to create the VM,
We need to. Need to. three three eight nine. Remove this. If it will ask, then we will put. Okay, credential it is missing. Credential we can put admin hyphen password. Now first we have to put username. Username. What we have to put? What is our famous username? Tell me, guys. Is the user.
What user?
User
Azure
ID or
Here put default. Whatever, because I'm going to specify any specific subnet, then it's going to charge me. Okay, so for practice purpose, you can just put it. So image is what when 2019 data center. Delete this one and this one also. Okay, fine. So then why it is not running credentials? Let me clear this screen. Okay, so here, see guys, first we have to new AGRM. Okay, so it means what we are going to, okay, let me delete this everything. So first of all, we are going to create the VM in this way. If you will type, then it will be better. Okay, so after that we have to give what resource group, right? Source group one by one. If we are going to provide, then it will be better. Resource group name. So what are the resource group available we have? What are the resource group we have? RG test 01, correct? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
RG test 01 and okay. Name VM test 01. Credential Azure user. Password new one operation return valid status code bad request. What is throwing an error? VM test 02. I will enter credential Azure user. Okay. Password for the user, password for the Azure user. Okay. Let me give the password. Password at that 1, 2, 3. Let me check whether VM have created or not.
What size is it specifying that has not been provided?
Yes. So if I'm going to provide any size and all, then it is going to charge. So that is the reason I'm just providing the default. If it will take the default, because it's my subscription is pay as you go.
Okay.
If I will put any a specific, then it is going to be static. Okay, and then it is going to charge. That is the reason I don't want to provide that. Okay, VM hyphen name credential admin user. No, this is not. CVM AZVM. Okay. VM test 09 user Azure user password. I'm going to put anything. Operation to invalid status code is written. Okay. Okay, let me then put the size itself. No matter whatever may be the charge. Okay, let me check the size. But guys, if you are going to do, try for default. Okay, this is the that is the reason I don't want to provide EG PM. After that, resource VM, then iPhone resource. So first of all, what are the credential resource group we have to give? Okay, why this is coming? I don't want to go here. I just want to give that name resource group. Let me change to bash. Confirm. Now let me return to the PowerShell. Sometimes if you are also facing this issue, just refresh or restart. There is a restart also. From here you can restart the cloud cell if you are going to face this issue. So first of all, what we have to type? New, correct? After that, AG, and what we have to type? We are going to create VM, correct?
AZVM, yeah.
Yeah. After that, what we have to give?
Space name, and then the name of the VM.
Okay. Name of the admin user name, not, this is not required. It is taking the previous one. Why it is not taking this kind of resource group name. So what name we have to provide? RG test 01. Okay. After that, name of the VM, right? Location STS. Password 123. Now it is going to create. Clear, guys? So guys, sometimes if you are going to face also the issues and all, you need to restart the PowerShell, because it was taking whatever the previous now I have typed, some other person is going to type, it is taking. Okay, so it's 18%, so we have to wait few minutes to create the VM. So VM is created. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Correct, guys? So how to check whether VM is created or not? What is the command?
List. Oh,
List here.
Get easy
okay.
Get easy VM. Only get command, that's all. List is for
Okay.
CLI. List is for CLI.
Okay.
So
Easy
everything is one
VM,
resource
easy
group, this
VM.
one, VM test 01, this, right? If I'm going to tell you create the multiple VM. Okay, first, let me clear the screen. So see guys, how much error you are going to get, you are going to learn that much. Okay, this is the simple concept of PowerShell and CLI. Azure user. Fine, I'm going to create the second VM. Okay, what is the password? Whatever maybe you want to give. See, now it is taking the default size, so it is not going to charge me. If I'm going to specify any these kind of charges and all, so you can see that how much. Okay, so that is the reason I was not specifying. Clear? If you are going to, if you guys are using the free account, you can specify. Clear, guys? Anyone have any doubt how to create the VM?
Yeah, Rohit, I have doubts. The thing is, like, suppose if I have a multiple network, okay. So if I want to create in one
Single network,
yes,
right?
yes, yeah.
Single net. Then you can specify here the network also as well. See, let me clear the screen. See location, right?
Okay. Okay.
After location, you can give the virtual network and give the virtual network name. See how we are given the resource group. Resource group name RG-test01. Similarly, you can specify VNet name equals to VNet test01, whatever maybe you have given. That's all. Whatever, if you want in a single network, see, obviously in the organization, we are using all the resources in the organization network itself, correct? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So obviously we have to use the same network. So we are going to put the same, correct? Specify. That is not a big deal. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear,
Okay.
guys? Okay. Now we are going to create what we are going to create. What are the items we have created? Anyone have any doubt, guys? Tell me.
But by any chance, can we know what IP address it has taken? The current VM which is created now. I mean,
Get
by a
see
command.
simple get IP for whatever the VM name. That's all.
Okay. 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 Okay.
See these stuff you can little bit explore. Okay, get command how to use. Okay, this here it will show you the IP address here also directly. Otherwise here you can use the get command. Okay, let me delete all the VM resource group first. Otherwise it is going to charge me lot. Okay, so let me delete this. See how many elements are there. If I'm going to leave for 1 hour also, it will be going to cost so much. So this is the good practice. Whenever you are going to use any pay as you go account, please create it and then and there delete it. If you're using free, then also after the labs and all, you try to delete that. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Clear? Anyone have any doubt? Just a second, guys. So RG-test01 is in I have already deleting, it is in progress. Now we have one more resource group, that is RG-test02, right? Yes or no, guys? Hello, are you guys able to hear me? Yes, no,
Yes.
can
Yes.
anyone confirm?
Yes. Yes. Rohit.
Okay, so more you will try, more you will So now tell me how to create the yesterday we have Ubuntu Linux VM. Tell me. Put here 3 after location. After location hyphen image. So what is the name we have given yesterday? Tell me. Tell me, guys, have you remember or not?
Ubuntu 20.04 LTS.
20.
04.
Let us check. 2024, right? Or 04.
2004 LTS, something like that.
LTS. Okay, let us no. Enter. Hit enter. Let me change the name. Space hyphen maze. What we have to put? Ubuntu, right?
Yeah.
2004 or 2024. What is that? Let me check. What are the various options are there?
Have 20.04, and then we have to eliminate the dot, the point, or we have 22.
Let us take. Okay. 120.04, right? So 2024 LTS, right? Location. Azure user password @123. So can't find the image Ubuntu LTS. So let us remove LTS.
Or you give a space between the 4 and the LTS. I don't know.
So what image we have to give? See, this is only we should know what exactly we have to put. Okay, parameter. That is the reason it is throwing an error. Okay. Exactly, it is PowerShell is Ubuntu LTS server Ubuntu. Okay. 20.04. How it is? 22.04. Clear. Let me. Azure user password we have to provide. Now it is going to start creation. Now got it, guys. So Ubuntu 22.04. Okay. Hello. Okay. So that
Why
is
did
what.
you refuse 2004?
It is not taking, because might be in through PowerShell it is not taking 2004. It is taking only the highest 22, latest 2204.
Okay.
So it will take few seconds to create. So what is the command to list down all the VM? Get -az VM. Fine. You can see that it is created or not, because those previous one are already deleted. Let me show you in the here also. Clear, guys? How to create the Linux VM through PowerShell? Clear? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Clear, guys? This is window and this is create. It's VM. See, guys, how much you are going to do the mistakes while writing the, or sometimes it is not accepting, and some R&D if you will do, then you will able to remember that. Like you will never forget that, okay, it is going to accept only Ubuntu 2204, right? Yes or no? So what exactly the parameter, that also we have to list the VM through PowerShell. So guys, similarly, you can create, what are the things you can create? Virtual network. Yes or no? You can create virtual network or no, guys? Yes or no? You can create the disk also. So whatever the resource you are going to create through the GUI, you are able to create through PowerShell also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct? So anyone have till now any doubt? Silence means what? I should take yes or no, Sri? Hello?
All the guys are gone. Only two of us left.
Yeah, actually, tomorrow is what? Christmas, right?
Yeah, tomorrow is Christmas.
Yeah, so that is the reason the people are, have holiday plan and all, right? Hey, yeah, hi Sri, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, Sri is struggling to log in.
Okay.
Okay. Wow.
Okay, so do you have any other doubt till now? Guys? Yes, no. No, right? Silence me, what I'm going to take as no.
Well, for me, the theory is
Rohit, I
good.
said that, just need practicing, So the more we practice, the more it gets clearer and
See, it's required more practice, especially. And one more thing, just now
yeah.
we are facing that some of the issues, it is what not, command is not getting, right, not reflecting, correct? So at that time,
Yeah.
you just, here is what restart, correct? You just either restart or switch back to bash and then PowerShell. You have to do. Like after you log into the PowerShell, after sometimes might be you will feel that your, you may face that your command is not getting, not running. So again, you have to restart or close here, and again you have to open here.
Okay.
So like we did, right, for the first, when we are creating the, VM, correct? See, it is restarting. So this is very important. See, now you can see that this is what? Upload and download files, correct?
Yeah.
This is what settings. This is upload. Sri is there or not? The people are. Sri, are you there?
No, 3 is gone.
Okay. Okay, let me explain you. Yes. The people who is not available, they can watch the video, correct? So
Yeah.
here you can see that upload the file. So you can write your code on notepad and you can upload here and download also. Manage the files here and everything. Okay. If you want to create a new file, you can create like that. Complete. Here you can work in through PowerShell. Okay. See, click on confirm. Here you can. Okay. Suppose I want to download. So what are the files I can download? Okay. Enter the fully qualified file path. Only file persist in your file share can be downloaded. Okay. So you can download also whatever the file. If you want to search, or also you can configure. And best practice, whenever you are going to do, you just click here and try to open in a new window, because it is going to give you the full screen, correct?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Okay.
So guys, can you practice all this, how to create the disk, how to create the virtual network and all?
Yeah.
Okay. So
All right.
any of, yeah, so PowerShell and CLI, we have already discussed a couple of services. You can practice for other services. Okay. If you have any issues and problem you are not able to do, please ask in the next class. Or in the, we have a WhatsApp group, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just send that question. Okay, I'm not able to create the disk, I'm not able to create the, suppose virtual network, I'm not able to create the Linux VM, correct? So in that way, clear? So that I will, reply all your answer in the WhatsApp itself, so that you should not wait for 1 week, correct? That is the main. Try to utilize that WhatsApp group. That is the reason I'm, guys, you guys are not, updating anything. I have gone through. Please send the new assignments. You guys are not at all, please send the new notes. Initially you are doing, but after that you also stopped. I don't know what happened. Huh? Correct? Yes or no? Tell me.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Sri, are you there? Sri, just now Sri joined.
Yeah, he's there.
Sri, are you able to hear me? Can you put your answer in the chat? Yes, no? I think he's joined, but he's not able to unmute. Okay. Fine. So guys, if you are going to create any VM and okay, any resource group or anything, okay guys, here this particular, suppose you don't know anything, you just delete it, anything. Suppose you want to create VM, right? You don't know anything. Okay, just hit enter. Clear or not? Suppose you want to create VM, you don't know anything. You just put new AG VM and then give the name. VM test 09 and then hit enter. It is going to ask you Azure user. It is going to ask you everything.
Password, okay.
Okay. See, no
And in
size
this
is given.
this way, Rohit is not going to ask you the resource group.
So whatever the existing, it is going to create. If you are not going to put the resource group, it is going to create the resource group.
It's going to create it for you, all right?
Yes. Like if you are not going to supply the virtual network, right? So it is going to create or not whenever we are going to create the VM. Correct. I have already explained you in GUI through GUI. Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Long
After
back.
this VM is created, let's just get the virtual network and see what it has created by default.
If it is not available, okay. You cannot. Let me show you. Clear, guys? Resource group VM test 09. Correct? Yes or no? This is what name I have given, VM test 09. So VM name and resource group name both will be same.
Okay, let's check the
Whatever the yeah, you can check
VNet.
here.
VNet.
Oh, VNet. Okay.
Yeah. Whether it
Yeah, by default, if you see VM test 09.
okay.
And see, if you're not going to give, it is going to see without, as in the initial days itself, I told you, right? Without resource group, we are not able to create anything. Correct? Yes or no? This is the thumb rule of Azure. Second thing, whatever the resource you are going to create, it requires network or not? Virtual network, right? Yes or no? Without network, we are not able to create, correct? So if you are not providing, Azure will by default, it is going to provide. It is going to create. And after that, it is going to supply.
Okay, so now if we are about to create multiple VM, so all of them will be under that VNet that is created by default.
Then it is going to, if you are going to create a multiple VM, it is going to create, it is going to create the multiple network, or might not be. It is, if you are going to specify the network, no, I need this particular VM in this particular resource group, in this particular virtual network. Everything you are going to specify in the code, then it is going to create in the same network, in the same resource group.
Okay.
If you are not going to specify, then randomly it is going to create, might be, and it is, and there it is going, they are going to charge you also. Okay, so do not do that. Try to specify. Why this particular method I told you? Why? Because initial days, for practice purpose, if you don't know anything. Okay, now you know, right? After new AGVM, suppose, let us finish, then let me tell you. New -AG VNet. So Azure Virtual Network, we are not able to create, right? In this way? Yes or no?
Check.
Tell me.
Spelling or the name, or if a path was included. Verify that the path is correct again.
Correct. So what is the error? Through error we can understand or not what exactly we are going to create.
For a commandlet.
So what we have to type? Name hyphen AG,
VM.
right? Not VM, virtual network, right? Yes or no?
VNet.
Virtual network. Suppose I don't know anything. The most similar Azure PowerShell command is Azure Virtual Network. So you got it, right? So this is what you have to not require resource group. I want to create a virtual network only. Now clear? Whatever the service you are going to create, you have to put new this VM, resource group, whatever may be. Clear? Let me delete this, otherwise it is going to charge me. Let me delete the resource group itself. So clear or not? If you are not able to understand how to create, practice in this way, the way just now I told you, right? New AG, just then type. First practice in this way, then in the second time, just try to type entire things, entire I need this, specify virtual network, specify resource group, specify name, everything. Okay, try to specify as much as you are able to do. Now clear? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
See, this is a very interesting topic, cloud. Okay. Sri, are you able to understand?
Yes, Rohit.
So there are two ways I have explained you right now. Either you need to we are unable to hear you anything. Is it the same case for everyone?
Yeah, I can add him.
Not able to hear you say. Okay. Okay, message me if you are able to understand in both the way, how to create the virtual network, how to create the virtual machine, how to create the resource group, either VM or yes, no, both the way. Just type in Sri, either yes or no.
Me, I need practice. I'll need practice anyway.
Yeah, practice and just send me in the message in the WhatsApp group.
Yes.
You have practice, and then if you have some issues, I will
to just explain. But yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, thank you so much. So I'm going to end our session right now
Thank
here.
you. All the
And
best.
wish you a very happy Christmas. Okay. Again, we will meet in the next week. Thank you, guys.
All right.
Thanks.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you all, guys.
The best. Bye-bye. Same to you, man. All right. Bye. God bless.
Okay.
Yeah.